Decorating the walls in the bedroom is an opportunity to add individuality and coziness to your space. Here are some ideas that can transform your area. Color choice. Decide on a color palette. Pastel tones promote relaxation, whereas bright accents can add energy and dynamism. Accent wall. Paint one wall in a bright or dark color to create a visual focal point. Fabric panels. Use large fabric panels or tapestries to add texture and color. Curtains and drapes. Choose curtains or drapes that complement the wall color for a cohesive look. Wall gallery. Create a collage of favorite photographs, illustrations, or art pieces. Large paintings. Hang one large painting as a central decor element. Decorative lighting. Use wall lamps or string lights to add soft lighting and atmosphere. LED lighting. Install LED lighting behind the headboard or around artwork. Open shelves. Place books, souvenirs, or plants on them to add a personal touch. Niches. Use niches to display decorative items or as additional storage space. Brick or wood walls. Use wallpaper or decorative plaster to create a textured accent. Vinyl stickers. Great for temporary decor and easily removable. Vertical gardens. Small hanging pots or plant holders will add liveliness and freshness. Thematic decor. Choose a theme, e.g., nautical, botanical, or travel, and decorate the walls with corresponding elements. When choosing decor, it's important to consider the room size, wall color, overall style of the interior, and personal preferences. Experiment with different ideas and combinations to create the perfect space for rest and inspiration.